Hi, superstars. It's another palm oil week. You are welcome. Today, I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. Okay, so as we get closer to palm oil storage season and palm oil business season, I said I'll be giving more updates because people are becoming more and more restless. People want to know what's happening, the price of palm oil, how things is going, so it can enable them know when to buy their palm oil and store. Okay, so I decided that I'll be coming more frequently. I'll be giving updates on palm oil business every Monday and Fridays. Okay, at least twice a week. So it can enable you to take informed decisions about palm oil business and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. Okay, so if you think this is a good idea, write it in the comment section. Should I make it at least twice a week to keep you posted, or we should leave it at once a week? All right. Okay, so first I'll be starting with the jerry cans. Okay, some time ago I said I couldn't find jerry cans in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. It was very scarce, and the few ones that were available were being sold at 5,500 naira for one, while other people sold at 6,000 naira. Okay, so I came here and I cried, and so many people listened. So many people gave me ideas on where to get jerry cans at a more affordable rate. Okay, so many people shared different locations and the price of jerry cans, and I'm sure this must have helped a lot of people who are going into palm oil business. Okay, and it enabled them know where to get their jerrycans at a more affordable rate. Okay, so nevertheless, last week, was it last week, I stumbled on a place I could get jerrycans at a more affordable rate for people, because the prices I heard initially was quite high, and I was so worried. Okay, so last week I found a place where I could get jerrycans at a more affordable rate for people, and I was so excited. I ran out here to inform people of the updates. Did you see it? Okay, or if you didn't see it, so now I'm telling you, I've seen a place where you can get jerry cans at 5,000 naira for now. That is the price for now. Okay, so it won't be after a few weeks from now, probably they increase, and you come and I tell you there's an increase in price. You will be like, ID, you said it is 5,000 naira. For now, the price of the jerry cans there is 5,000 naira. Other people are still selling at a higher rate, but the person just chose to sell at that rate because the person is a wholesaler. Okay, I don't know how long the person will have jerry cans, and once it is finished, the price will go up again because others are selling at a higher rate. So if you're interested in getting jerry cans from here ahead of storage, let me know. Reach out to me and buy your jerry cans and keep it, because like I said, those who want me to help them buy palm oil ahead of time, they buy jerry cans and keep. Yes, this will enable me know that so people with so number of jerrycans are interested in palm oil, and once it is time, they send the money, I buy it for them and send it to their location. All right, it is done on first come, first serve basis. So if you're interested, now would be a good time to send money for your jerrycan so I can keep it ahead of time. And once it is time, we swing into action and buy the palm oil. Okay, all right. So next is palm oil. All right, so I kept saying that palm oil fluctuates, and as of today, the price of palm oil has increased again. Okay, it is still at the rate I mentioned in my last video. The price of palm oil today is still 39,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. All right, but don't panic. Okay, I'm sure it will come down, and I trust that it will come down. I'm praying it should come down. So as many as are looking forward to making storing palm oil can afford to buy and store. Okay, my superstars. So I'll keep telling you the current price of jerrycans, the current price of palm oil, so it can enable you to take decisions. And for those who are thinking of how to reach out to me, you can send me a message on 070-444-81914. Okay, or you can send me an email via idzillion@gmail.com. All right, and then we'll get started. This is strictly to please others. If you want to please others, send it through those medium. All right, my superstars. Okay, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. This is where you leave all your questions and I'll get to see it and then send answers. All right. Most questions people make here, I make a full video and answer those questions. So leave them in the comment section because it's easier to see them in the comment section and then I'll get right back to you. I could do a full video to answer the question or I could answer it in the comment section. Okay, my superstars. All right. Thank you for watching. I repeat, the price of jerrycan as of today is 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira jerrycan only, while the price of palm oil is 39,000 naira as at today. I don't know about tomorrow. I don't know about next tomorrow. Okay, the price is unique for only today. Alright, my superstars, have you subscribed? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when there are updates on this channel. And have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up, like this video. Alright, thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.